Minus is what? You didn't do what you were supposed to do. Plus was positive. We seen something real good. Check. It was all right. You did your job. Ain't nothing now? You definitely need to work on something. But it's put in place so you know as you transition through the season what you need to work on. So you can constantly get better. That was the first scrimmage. We did it again. So when we tell you this stuff, don't think we just saying, hey, go home and watch TV, play football. If you want to play football, it's work. It's work. And most of the time, it's what folks don't see you do. That's what makes you successful. It's what folks don't see you do. That's what separates you from everybody else. If you want to sit and be with everybody else, be in the crowd. Or do you want to stand out from the crowd? I would do you a disservice if I didn't tell you how to stand out from the crowd. Just because you're being quiet, don't mean nothing. That means you do what you're supposed to do. Most folks that be talking, hey man, they ain't really doing nothing, they just talking. Because wherever you go, whatever you do, your game is going to speak for itself. Whether you playing Eastside Bengals, whether you playing Challengeview High School, whether you playing in North Shore. If you know you're going to shine wherever you go. If not, then you're just going to sit back and cry. You're going to be a part of the team. And while everybody having dirty jerseys, you got that clean. Like, man, did you get on the field tonight? Where your dirt at? What did you do? Don't be that guy. Be that guy that they see he got grass and blood on his. He was working. I'm going to follow that guy. I know he doing what he's supposed to do. Be that guy on your team. All right? Don't talk about it, be about it. Master P say that. Look that up. YouTube that. All right. So, we just going to stay with I formation. Everybody don't throw your hands up at once. Who's going to be first? All right, come on, JR.
Look like a leader there.
All right. Draw me. What else? Who going?
Somebody not doing something right now.
Pastor, go pick up the red marker and help him out, Jimmy. So what is the 3 doing? He's blocking. So you don't have to do it because he already had what the 2 was doing. So you come help him out. Let's do this. You lead the way. Quarterback giving it to the 2.